Once upon a time, there was a small caterpillar named Baloo. He lived in a cozy garden filled with bright flowers and tall trees. Every day, Baloo would crawl around the garden, munching on leaves and exploring his surroundings. One sunny morning, as Baloo was crawling along, he met a group of curious ants. They were busy gathering food for their colony. Baloo smiled and said hello to the ants, but they seemed too busy to notice him. Baloo continued on his journey. As he crawled further, he saw a busy bee buzzing around a flower. The bee seemed in a hurry, but Baloo greeted him cheerfully. To Baloo's surprise, the bee replied with a friendly buzz. Encouraged by the bee's response, Baloo continued to explore the garden. Along the way, he met a friendly ladybug, a hopping grasshopper, and even a shy butterfly. Each time, Baloo greeted them with a smile, and they greeted him in their special way. As the day turned to evening, Baloo felt happy. Even though he was just a small caterpillar, he had made many new friends in the garden. And from that day on, Baloo knew that he was never alone whenever he crawled around. With a heart full of joy, Baloo curled up in a cozy corner of the garden and fell asleep, dreaming of all the adventures he would have with his new friends tomorrow. And as the stars twinkled in the night sky, the garden whispered a gentle lullaby, embarrassing Baloo in its warm embrace.